Hey there, it's Dan from RDP Arena. Today I'm going to show you how to install OpenSSL on your Windows RDP server in just a few minutes. Before we begin, make sure you have admin access to your Windows RDP. This is important because you won't be able to install OpenSSL without it. With that being said, let's jump right in. First, open your RDP browser and go to google.com. In the search bar, type in OpenSSL Windows Download. From the search results, click on the link from slproweb.com. Once you're on the page, scroll down until you see the option for Win64 OpenSSL version 3.4.0. You'll see an exe link on the line next to it. Go ahead and click on that to download the installer file. I've already downloaded the file to my desktop, so I won't be downloading it again. Double-click on the installer file to start the installation. If you see a user account control pop-up, just click Yes to proceed. Now, during the installation, you might get a notification saying that Microsoft Visual C++ 2022 redistributables need to be installed. If you do, click Yes and follow the prompts to install it. It's a quick and straightforward process. Since I've already installed it, I'm not getting that pop-up here. Now select I accept the agreement and then click Next to continue. Next up, you'll be asked to choose the setup folder for installation. Unless you have a specific location in mind, you can just leave the default path as is and click Next again. Click Next to continue. On the next screen, make sure the box that says Copy OpenSSL DLLs to Windows System Directory is checked. This is important for OpenSSL to work correctly. Once you've confirmed that, click Next to proceed. Click on the Install button to start the actual installation process. The installation might take a few minutes, depending on your RDP's configuration. While we wait, I've got some exciting news to share with you. We're currently running a special sale with 20% off on all RDP slots. Simply use the code you see on your screen during checkout to grab your discount. If you've been thinking about upgrading your RDP plan or trying out one of our premium servers, this is the perfect chance for you to get started. Don't wait too long though. Stocks are limited and this sale won't be around forever. Now, let's get back to the video. Looks like it's done. Go ahead and click Finish to exit the installer. There's one more crucial step to ensure OpenSSL works properly. We need to add the OpenSSL directory to your system's path environment variable. In the Windows search bar, type in the word environment and select the option Edit the System Environment Variables. This will open up the System Properties window. In the Advanced tab, you'll see a button labeled Environment Variables near the bottom. Click on that. Now, in the Environment Variables window, you'll see two sections, User Variables and System Variables. We're going to focus on the System Variables section. In the System Variables list, you'll find the Path variable. Double-click on it to open the Edit Environment Variable window. In this window, click on the Browse button and navigate to the OpenSSL bin directory, which will be located in your Program Files folder. Click on OK and then click OK again to close the Environment Variables window. Now close all the open windows, and let's test if everything is working. Open the command prompt by typing CMD in the search bar and hitting Enter. In the command prompt, type OpenSSL version and hit Enter. The version number is being displayed correctly, indicating that OpenSSL has been successfully installed. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like, subscribing to our channel, and hitting the bell icon for future notifications. In case you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We'll do our best to help you out.